Hey everyone, it's Edward with your Friday Beach Report from Twitty & Company. I'm here in the villages of the estates of Ocean Hill subdivision, or in front of it, rather. You can see we got a little bit of a big sea going on, a system offshore right now. And I was just checking NOAA. It looks like we're going to get a pretty good sized ocean going at least through Tuesday. So wouldn't be surprised if we have some minor to moderate beach erosion going on, because as you can see, we already don't have a lot of beach going on right now. But I'm here, actually, let me run up the dune here. I'm at the Tasman Beach Access at the village or estates at Ocean Hill, and I wanted to show you something. This actually right here, where this bush is and little dune, that used to be the ramp to get on the beach and head northbound before the road was moved up through what was at the time a brand new subdivision called the Villages at Ocean Hill in the early 90s. So the funny thing is, occasionally the old ramp road shows its face. That old road is literally visible right behind this collapsed part of the dune right here. Unfortunately, it's not visible today, except for right here, where you can see the clay base right here, and then the asphalt underneath, and here is some of the asphalt or crush and run. Well, it's coming apart. But fortunately, I take a lot of pictures, and I have some good images of that roadbed that are exposed. I don't know. I think it's kind of interesting. I love to keep the history alive a little bit, and I think, a lot of people might look at that strip of road in the dune and be like, what is that? And never know, but if you have ever seen it, or if you stay around this area a lot, you will after watching this little video. Okay, hope you enjoy it. We'll keep you updated if the weather gets gnarly or anything like that, but just gonna enjoy a chilly but very pretty day. Have a good one.